In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view a pay period's hours, approvals, and locks for a specific location. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Pay Period. From the drop-down menu, select Approvals. You should arrive at the details for a pay period that is awaiting approval. If you are logged in under the enterprise, you will see multiple locations listed in this chart. If you're logged in under a location, you will only see that location's information. First, make sure you are viewing the correct pay period. To change the pay period, you can use the forward or backward arrows, or click the arrow next to the pay period and select one from the menu. To expand this chart so that you can read the titles of the columns, you're going to have to change the zoom on your internet browser. Click the settings for your internet browser and adjust the zoom. I'm going to go down to 75%. Then exit out of this. And now I can read the column names much easier. I can see the folder that these locations are in. I can see the location names. Then I can see the count, which is the total number of timesheets for this pay period at this location. Local are the number of timesheets that have been locked by a manager, but not by the enterprise. Manager is the number of timesheets that have been approved by a manager, but not by the enterprise. Enterprise is the number of timesheets that have been locked at the enterprise level. Next, you can see the number of open time entries, the number of time entries that have an error, the number of voided time entries. Then we have the number of regular hours, the number of overtime hours, the number of premium hours, the number of leave hours, unpaid hours, and total hours. If you click on a specific location, a second chart will appear underneath the first one. If you scroll down, this chart shows the same information for a specific location, and it breaks down that information by employee. So I can see whether or not each employee has been locked, approved, if they have any errors, how many hours they have. All of that information is here again. That's how you can view the information awaiting approval for a given pay period. Check out the next video to learn how to lock and approve a pay period so your employees can get paid.